if we should be alone together. I still got a crush, that's obvious. When nobody's around, what's stopping us? Everywhere I go, you show wherever. I don't ever mind sharing oxygen. I just wanna get lost in your lungs. Just a baby, but she's growing up so fast, and I'm allergic to the waiting. She's just a baby girl, and I love to watch her dance, but it's making me go crazy. Each other. When you're in a room, you get my eyes. You open your mouth, I'm hypnotized. Whoa, whoa, I can make you laugh until you cry. You know you got all my attention. You know you got all mine. Baby, I can't help but call her that, even though I shouldn't say it. She was my baby girl, might never get her back, but I don't mind being patient, yeah. Can you let your baby be my girl? Can you let your baby be my girl? Can you let your baby be my girl? Can you let your baby be mine? I'm just gonna tell you what I gotta say right here. I'm sorry, Dave, never meant to hurt your baby girl. She's your little baby, she's my soulmate. I don't want you to worry, she'll be so safe right here. Oh, so Dave, would you let your baby be my girl? Can 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 you let your baby be mine? Oh, your baby, she's mine.
I'm going back to 5:05. If it's a 7-hour flight or a 45-minute drive, in my imagination you're waiting, lying on your side, with your hands between your thighs. Stop